8526 on the Disney Magic. This is a Concierge family ocean view with veranda, stateroom. It's the same size as a Category 4, but there are some upgraded amenities because it is Concierge. Upgraded toiletries, there's robes, and upgraded linens. Otherwise very, very similar to a 4A. You can see the upgraded couch here, which is a sleeper. And this room does sleep 5 because one pulls down there, and there is a Murphy bed right here. So it does sleep 5. And we're in Fort Lauderdale right now, standard veranda. So this is generally your least expensive entry into Concierge. And that is it. Thanks for watching.